I'm in a 2016 Kia Sorento, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll look for this lever. This is the safety latch that will release so we can now open it from the front. If there's no tension at all in this, you might need to check behind this plastic to see if all the cables are still attached. But now that we pulled that head up to the front, you should see the hood slightly loose now, so you can fit your fingers in here. There's a lever right here, so we're going to push the lever and lift. So push and lift. Fortunately, it's got these nice hydraulics to hold the hood up for us. And here's that lever I was pushing. So double check there's no debris stuck in here that needs cleaned up, nothing bent or broken. If it's sticking a lot, I might try some WD-40 to loosen this. And then up top, this is where it was hooked onto. Again, make sure nothing's bent. Also make sure your hood's in proper alignment, because if that's crooked, that could also cause issues. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.